Welcome to my channel. Please like, subscribe, and give it a smashing thumbs up. Today I got the Perfect Pod single serve coffee filter cup for K-Cup brewer compatibility details on the side. It says fits the 1.0, the 2.0, K Mini, and K Series brewer and more. It says never force the brewer lid to close. If lid is hard to use, reposition capsule. Do not overfill or compress the coffee. Use of espresso grind. And it's a 2019 company, and it's from La Mirada, California. And it looks like this in the packaging, and it's BPA free. So we're going to open it up like so, and we're going to take the item out of the box. It's got a lot of plastic in here. They said recyclable on the bottom, but it's like so much plastic on here, as you can see. I'm doing it one-handed because I have see, here's the plastic. It's like, we don't need that, we can recycle that. And then here's the actual item. See, it looks like this. It's purple. It has a lid. It says Perfect Pod, Polyflow technology, caution hot under brewing, and it says it's BPA free and recyclable. And what you do is you open the top, and it looks like this. It has a mesh lining on it, and you fill your coffee in there. So what we're going to do is we're going to use some Country Blend Folgers, and it looks like this. And I got a nice little nifty spoon, and it's one-handed because I'm holding the camera. I don't have a tripod, sorry. And then we just fill the coffee to how much we want inside. Make sure to not spill down here. And I think 2 scoops or maybe 3.5 scoops will be good. Here we go. Then we close the top, set it in the machine, see how it works. Sorry if my machine's a little bit dirty. We'll close the coffee grind so we don't let all the air get in it. And I got a cup right here with a nice good amount of water. You don't want to put too much to make it leak. And you pour in your water at the top. Put your coffee cup there. We will plug in the coffee, close the top, turn the machine on, pull that down, see it fits perfectly, and we'll let it brew. We'll see how this reusable K-Cup works, and yeah, we just wait a little bit and see how it goes. I've had one of these before, but I thought I'd get another one because the other one was dirty, and I need to throw that one out, so I got a brand new upgraded one. So let's see how this works. It's a little slow, the machine, at first when it comes down to give you the coffee, because it's got to go from the back inside and boil up the water and go through there and do the percolating thing and give you your coffee. So let's get ready for this. See, I got the red light on that's trying to tell you that it's in process of making the coffee. So you can kind of hear it over my TV, but you can hear the coffee brewing, and we're just waiting for it to come out. And this will be making me a black coffee, because this is all the machine does, is just make you straight up coffee. And the cup's reusable, that you can rinse it out and reuse it again. And yeah. So after we finish here, I'll show you how to clean the coffee thing, because I throw my grounds in the trash, or if you have a compost pile, you put them in the compost pile, but I don't have one. I wish I did, but I don't have one. So here we go. Come on, coffee. We want our hot and steamy coffee. Just give it a little bit, it's still brewing. And here we go. Wow. Oh, it leaks a little right there because I think that's my machine itself. It's not the K-Cup itself. Oh, that coffee looks like it's coming out real smooth. That's nice. Wow. Wow, look at that. Look at that beauty of a coffee drip. And then, when you're done, you open up the top. See how it's like right here, and it's hot, so you gotta be careful it's hot. And you take it out. See how the coffee's here. Then we go all the way over here, and I'll be going to my trash can to throw it away. Not the cup itself, but the grounds inside. So let's go up here, and we're gonna open it, and you can see all that coffee and all that steam. And you gotta be careful because usually they said let it cool down. Then I will throw away as much ground as I can get out of here, and then I'll take it to my sink. Excuse my dirty dishes. And I will give it a good rinse under the water, like so. And then I will show you the inside after I get it really cleaned good. And there you got it. See, it cleaned up real nice and it's reusable. And I'll show you what the other one looked like. The other one looked like this, all dingy and grimy, and I gotta throw that away. Well, thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, and give it a smashing thumbs up. Thank you. Bye.